office. Very high ceilings. Even if I jumped, there's no way I could touch it. So it's high. Bathroom. They didn't put in the cast iron railings, so we're going to make sure they do that before you move in. There's the living room. So very high ceilings. Through the dining room portion, our table will fit in nicely. You know, it's going to be tight, but there's still space between the dining room table and where the couch goes. Here's the kitchen. Ton of cabinets. Pantry, more cabinets. So there's cabinets on both sides of the island. More cabinets. This garage is going to be tight for 2 cars. Go to the backyard. Backyard's bigger than I remember. Oh. So there's an overhang, which is good so we can barbecue right here. In the backyard. Sounds like there's a baby across the hall, across the way. So it is decent size back here. Upstairs. Laundry room. So this could be Jack or Madison's room. Maybe it's a little bit smaller than their current room, but not much smaller. Here's the view. You definitely have the best view. The kids. Closet. Definitely smaller than Jack's current closet, but it'll be fine. Hallway closet. So another bedroom, Jack or Madison's room. No, it is smaller than Madison's Justin's current closet. Here's their view. Get easily the best views of the house. The bathroom, there's no lights to try in here. This could be the guest room, because it doesn't have a view. Or we're going to end up putting a leather couch in here. Easily put a leather couch in here. Maybe that little TV against that wall. I don't know. Here's our room. Does have the vaulted ceilings. So this would probably be my closet, I'd assume. Alright, so here's the view. We are pretty close to the neighbors. Bathroom, decent size. Shower. Shower's nice. Bathroom. Here's your closet. So hard to see, but there are no lights. So a built-in cabinet for shoes. A lot of room for clothes. And I don't want to say it's bigger than what you have now. Alright. So that would go against this wall.